Let's face it, normal water bowls are boring and high maintenance. Today I'm going to show you how to design a self-filling water bowl. All you'll need is your own water bowl, a water bottle, and a 3D printer. Now let's get to the design. Now here's all the finished parts. Let's see how it assembles. The bowl drops into the base. This top holder drops in like that. And the water bottle clips in the top there. So a few small changes to this build. As you can see, the water bottle doesn't sit secure. It kind of falls down, so I have to make a small bracket to hold that into place. The last one, the bowl doesn't sit all the way flat. I got the hole the wrong size in here, so I'll have to trim that a bit and see if we can fix that up. So let's go do that. To fix the water bottle falling out, I've 3D printed an additional ring that will attach to the bottom of this, and then the water bottle will not fall down. And there you have it. Now the water bottle cannot fall out. For the base of the water bowl holder, the diameter of this hole is too small. I cannot enlarge it to let this fit flat. I made an error there. So instead, I will use some spacers. This will be some brass standoffs. I'll put 4 of those along the perimeter here to hold that water bowl flat so it's not moving around. Alright, seems like that sits on there pretty well. And our top slides right into place. Alright, after some modifications, let's see if it works. Now I'll do a quick demonstration of how the self-filling water bowl works. As water is taken out, it continues to fill from the water bottle. As you can see here, the water bottle is getting lower and lower. And that will continue until the water bottle is empty. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, to wrap up the video here, we'll go over the total project cost to make this water bowl. On the top here we have the top section of the water bowl, and the bottom section, and those are broken up into 3 basic categories: electricity costs, material costs, and design costs. And all of these things added together are a grand total of about $32.68. Now if you're doing this design yourself, you may choose to do the design costs for free. So if you cancel out those 2 areas, the total project cost is only $2.68. Overall, this is a pretty affordable project to do at home if you're interested to make your own self-filling water bowl.